we learn about the remaining part of the essay, The Cough and the Anthem, written by Henry. At a quiet corner, Sophie came across an old church. There, someone was practicing the Sabbath anthems. The sweet music took Sophie back to earlier life when he had mother, family, friends, and ambitious as well as so on. The sudden receptive state of mind and the influence of the church and the music brought a wonderful change in Sophie. He felt like transforming himself to his earlier self. He decided to go back and look for a job and was promised to him by a fur importer. He decided to become somebody in the world. Just then, the policeman arrested him from loiterings. Next day, the magistrate sentenced him to 3 months' imprisonment. He was sent to jail when had committed no crimes at all. What an irony of life! Sadness and irony in Sophie's life is the central idea of the essay. The whole story is ironical and there is a undercurrent of sadness. Sophie's desire to go to prison because he feels safe and there is ironical. He will be assured of a bread and bed and congenial company in the prison is also ironical. Real life does not offer him all these things. In Sophie's opinion, law was more kind than charity. His desire to become a guest of it is quite ironical. Policeman himself is eyewitness to every petty offense Sophie commits. What an irony that he is not arrested. Ironical elements in the actual arrest of Sophie's moves us. The unlucky tramp resolves to give up unworthy desire. He desired to become somebody. He hoped to become a law-abiding citizens. He stands still listening to sweet and serene musics, but he is arrested for loitering. He is sent to jail for 3 months when he commits no crime at all. So, this is the short stories of Sophie and his lifestyle, as well as his economical conditions, and that's why he was frustrated, a young person in the essay. So, all the stories of the cough and the anthem is rounded by Sophie. Sophie's main character in the essay, and the writer O. Henry tried to depicted his life by this essay. Okay.